Hey everybody, welcome to Zach the Frugal Gardener. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment here at the end. I really appreciate your wonderful support. We're on the road to 1K, and we're going here into Kroger on a monster haul today. We saved almost 45% here at the, well, we saved over 45% here at the Kroger, and they have a huge deal. This weekly ad this week is going through August 20th, so you still have a couple days to go get this. They have the buy five, save $1 each. We're going to try to do this 2 times today as we go and shop. Save $1 each. A lot of good specials. Check your weekly ad. You can check that in the Kroger app. We're going to start right here with some Progresso soup, which I got a coupon here for save $1 on 3. These are not on sale, but they're $3 each, so make them $8 for all 3, which is a great deal. Also got some ramen noodles here, 2 for $3. We love the ramen noodles and we love soup. So got these. That's not a bad deal. Then they have these donuts, $1.49, which these are great snacks. Look, a lot of this is junk, I know, but we love snack on this. $1.49. We downloaded this coupon right here, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. We threw that in the cart, and there we go. Then we got Pringles. Love the Pringles. I ate these for lunch with my Subway sandwiches. They're $1.99. I also found this coupon for $1 off 3. They're a part of the mega event as well. Threw these in, and I get the mega event special, and I get the $1 off. So thought that was a monster deal. Here I'm going to get my 3. I love Pringles, and they're like my favorites. Eat it with my Subway sandwich at lunch at work, and they're so good. Okay, I got this now. This is a monster deal right here. These Nature Valley bars. This is a 12 count of them, okay? I had this coupon sent to me on the Kroger app for a free Nature Valley bar. So I scanned these bars right here, and they were free according to the coupon. They were $7.49 regularly. So I was like, I'm getting these. I love these. These are my favorite kind of dark chocolate. And then we also got some cereal Reese's Puffs right here. They're part of the mega event because we're going for our 5 items. I found this coupon for 50 cents off on General Mills cereals, which was sent to me on the app as well. You want to try that Kroger app. This is the clearance aisle. There's a lot of cool stuff we find here in the clearance aisle. Look, they even had Hot Wheels, which shout out to Zach Sports Cars and Collectibles. We love Hot Wheels, but they have a lot of cool stuff. Then we had to get some cheese, and I had a coupon here for cheese for $5.99. This is a 2-pound cheese. Now, $5.99 seems a lot for cheese, but that's 2 pounds of cheese for $5.99. That's a great deal. So threw that in there. I had to get that. That's a great deal, and it's part of the mega event as well. They had Tidy Cat. I have 3 cats. I had this $2 off coupon, which worked on the app. And then I had another one. What's funny, both of these worked, which is crazy, on the same thing. So I got a monster deal on these. I think I paid $7.49 for these. But that's super cheap for cat litter. Tidy Cats. I have 3 cats. Then I went and got, this is my favorite dip. I love to take my Pringles, and I love them in this dip. And they were part of the mega event this week, so I had to throw those in there. They're $1.49 too, super cheap. I love those, man. That's like French onion dip. I love this stuff. And then my favorite thing to eat, we all love, all 3 of us love these, are chimichanga bean and cheese burritos. These were on mega event, but they were marked down $3.83. I was like, oh my gosh, we got to get 2 of these. I wanted to get 3. I did get 3, and then I put the other one back because I was trying to get 2 of the mega event 5, and it didn't work out, so I just had to get 2. But we threw these in here, got these. Love the chimichangas, man. Shout out to burritos, and they're my favorite. They're so awesome. They're so good. These are the bean and cheese, and they got a little spice of jalapeno in them, which makes them even better. We also had another coupon. I got $1 off 3 off Pillsbury. We got some cinnamon rolls and some sweet Hawaiian crescent rolls. I don't know if y'all heard, but my car went neutral this week, and it went down a hill. My coworkers helped me out, so I had to make them some cinnamon rolls, pay them back. I really appreciate their help. These are $2.49, part of the mega event. And there's my truck right down in the kudzu hill. I got it out thanks to them, so I owe them something. So I'm going to make them some cinnamon rolls. I had some DiGiorno pizza right here, $3.99. Download the coupon on the app. This is a great deal. DiGiorno's are like $5 or $6. I downloaded this coupon to the app. Got these for $3.99. This is a monster deal. There's Daredevil and Wolverine. Another shout out to Zach Sports Cars and Collectibles. Love the comics, Marvel. Big fan of those. But Rising Crust, that's high dollar pizza right there. High dollar. Threw that in there. And I was super pumped about that deal. That was a monster deal. Then when we got some yogurt, I loved it. I needed some more calcium in my diet for breakfast. Got these Oikas part of the clearance this week for, I think, $3.79. And then these are my favorite as well. I love these as well. So these were just $1.50. I just wanted to throw those in there because they're really good. But part of the clearance. And then I had a great coupon here for $2 off Nestle drumsticks. And these were $3.99 with the coupon. I had to get some of these. These are great. I love the Nestle drumsticks. They're my favorite. Then I had a great coupon on ice cream, and it was 65 cents off one Kroger brand ice cream. Made these down. These were regularly $2.99. Marked these down to like $2 and, oh my gosh, like 35 cents. So that was a great deal. So I was like, man, that's a win right there. So we got some Butterfinger ice cream right there. That was a real win. Threw that in the cart. Look at this. We're really stacking it up. And this looks like $100 to $200 in groceries, right? You just wait to see what we pay here at the end. So we're going to roll this down to the checkout aisle. Here we go. Going up to the front, see what kind of deals we got. But then as we go up to the front, we find these clearance items. They had 45-cent Diet Coke 2 liters in here. I couldn't believe it. Now they're a Kroger brand. They had $1 peanut butter. This is like a clearance aisle. You always want to check these carts. This is in a cart. They had these Hostesses, Ho-Hos on sale for like $1, but they had this really cheap apple juice, which I wanted to get for $1.83. So I got this. I like that's super cheap apple juice. So I grabbed that. Then we went to the checkout aisle, and I'm showing the hamster how to do the checkout. She wants to work at Kroger one day. I used to work at Kroger when I was in high school, so it was one of my first jobs I ever had. Shout out to Kroger, man. I love Kroger. I go to Kroger every Saturday, and I support them because I used to work there for years when I was in high school. My total for coupons was $112.40 for coupons. I entered it in, and it was a total, after coupons, $61.44. Monster savings, y'all. Monster deal. I couldn't believe it, man. I was so pumped to save that deal. Look at all that. I got all that for $61.44. It looks like $100 to $200 in groceries these days with inflation. And we saved a total of $50.96 after coupons and mega event savings. We did 2 cycles of that mega event. Look at all the stuff we got for $61.44. Let's go. Don't forget to enter our road to 1K and 10K with Zach Sports Cards and Collectibles. Also watch some other videos as well. Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, Zach out.